What's up? Okay, so we're gonna make a game. Alright? We're gonna start a new project. This project's gonna be called. Hold on, let's browse first. Dude. I don't want it to be in documents, dude. Yeah, here. Okay. This works. Yeah. And we're gonna call it Better Than League of Legends. Wait, hold on. There we go. Yeah. We're gonna make this game, dude. We're gonna make Better Than League of Legends. It's gonna be so good. This shit's gonna be so fucking good, dude. Everyone's gonna want to play it. I'm gonna make so much money. So watch this, right? So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna start with a 2D scene, right? And then actually, we gotta make some sprites. Hold on. Yeah, starting with completely nothing. Not a damn thing, dude. Alright, so let's see. There's all that. So we will start with a new. Let's just start with a 1x1. Just get our pixel. We're gonna start with our pixel, right? And make sure it's the right color, because obviously it's not the right color. There we go. Alright, so sport. Yeesh. There's so many files, dude. So we need to make a folder. We're gonna call this one. No, this is gonna be textures. Or sprites, or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna call this one texture. It's gonna be the pixel texture. What? Pixel.png. Oh wait, no. We have not actually exported anything yet. Hold on. Where's my export button? Where is it? Why is it over here? All the channels, dude. Export, bitch. Alright, did it export? What the fuck? Did it export? It didn't export. What's going on here? Oh, because I clicked the wrong button, that's why. Here we go. That should do it. There it is. There's our beautiful little pixel texture. Because now, if I just needed just like any old box, you go what? Sprite 2D, dude. Yeah, Sprite 2D. Yeah, Sprite 2D, and I want to move it over a little bit. Come here. Come here, dude. Oh my god, dude. It's because it's like no sprite. So then what we're gonna do, let me just drag this in here because I'm lazy. Scale this up a little bit. Now we can just check it. So if I just wanted a box, like this, and the reason we made it white is that makes it versatile. So we can go, I'm gonna use self-modulate. Just in case. But for now, we're going to go with, let's see. I'm gonna just make this. A little bit past that. There's a screen. In fact, yeah, let's modulate this to be like some kind of gray, maybe? I don't know. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I know what I'm gonna do, dude. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make, call this background. Alright. Now we need some control nodes. Going to make this thing full rectangle. Didn't do what I wanted. Put in that for now, and then this, we can just make this that. What is the view? What's the viewport on it? Oh, shit, dude. Project settings. Not exactly sure where I'm gonna find that window viewport width. Here we go. Yeah, 115648. 1152 648. Alright. Now I need to center this bitch. What happens if we just 0, 0? Yeah. Okay. We're good now. Just leave it at that. We don't need this panel anymore. Thank you. Did your job. You served. your country well. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just, fuck it, leave it at control. We'll just leave it there so we can put a, how am I gonna do this? Containers maybe. Great container maybe. Or maybe just another control node. I don't know. Or a center container. I think that'll work. Doesn't need to be too complicated. I don't know why I'm overthinking this. And inside color menu, we're going to add another child. Let's see. Should make we should do VBox. So we'll do VBox first. Yeah, hold on. We can do color underscore box. You know what? Fuck the underscore. Color box one. And then we'll do, we're gonna duplicate this like 3 times. Wait. We're not gonna duplicate it 3 times yet. We'll duplicate it 3 times later. Because for we are going to put more elements inside. We're going to put an H box in here. Color line, I guess. Color H line. Cool. So in color H line, we gotta put a label in there. Ooh. Oh wait. Oh no, that's cool. We're gonna do. This is how we're gonna do this. We do, however, need to make. What am I gonna do? Make a global folder. Inside this global folder, we're gonna make a resource. This resource is going to be no, not font. It was what was it? I'm trying to remember. Theme. Make a theme. Make a little standard theme here. We're gonna make this one. We're gonna call this one default. Default. Here we're gonna do. Let's see. Nope. Oh wait, no, label. We do label, right? Yeah, and then in label we got fonts. Gotta add that. Outline size. We gotta add font size. That's about it. Font color, outline color. I think we're good. I think we got all we need here. So can I just put in the very first control, give this theme, ooh, wait, did I save? Let's just save, I'll save it. Then we load. Alright, so is that gonna change this? Does it doesn't. Unfortunate. So I gotta do that for like every single label. Oh wait. No, wait, I didn't even change the color. My bad. Hold on a second. Oh, but it should. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's clear this real quick. Okay, so it wasn't even... Yeah, here we go. It does work. Okay, so... What if we want 3? What if we want 4? I think that's good. Alright. Cool. So we're just gonna do color line. Do that, right? And then here we do what was it? It wasn't color red, because that's gonna be a big old thing. Or is it? I also kinda need to save this scene. Bro. Here we go. Yeah. So now we could always just test this. Current scene. Yep. So then what we do is, oh yeah, I didn't test to see the color rect option because there's supposed to be. Yeah, I click this, but like it's like 1 pixel wide, so I guess I could just do this. Make this 16 by 16. Minimum size 16 by 16. Wonder if that's gonna be enough. Still can't click it. Doesn't pop up. Okay, that's fine. Oh, because that's color rect. That's not color pick. Damn it, dude. Yeah, that's my bad. Not reading it properly. So there's one in button, right? Yeah, color picker button. There we go. And 1616, right? How's that look? Okay, so now I want to, toggle? Hold on, toggle. Kind of just want, damn it, dude. Forgot how to make it so it just, it closes once you choose a thing. Except that might not work out, because then what if you're like doing that slider thing, doing this bar on the right side? Is it gonna think that's choosing and then close the? What if I do this? Is this gonna? Doesn't do anything. It might just be a different one. Hold on. Let's look through these other ones. What was like? There's one over here, right? Color picker. What is this? And why is it in box container? Oh yeah, it's just straight up this thing. It's just straight up whole thing. Doesn't like. It's just here. Doesn't pop up. It's just always in your face. Yeah, this is the but kinda not working. It's not functioning the way I want it to function. How do I get it to I'm pretty sure there was a way. I'm pretty sure there was a way to get it so you can click here and then click anywhere else, and then once you let go, it closes the thing. Like I have to click outside, which is not ideal. That is 100% not ideal. Clicking outside like that to close it. You just kind of want it to like close once you choose one. Let's explore a little bit more in these control nodes. Nothing, dude. Okay, so then we look through here, maybe. No. No. That's not gonna give what I want. Oh yeah, you know what else we could do? Let's read the documentation. Did you ever think about that? I hardly do. What do we got here? So wait, hold on. No, that's not gonna. It's not working. Let's attach a script here. Then we're gonna need, let's see, color menu. I think we'll go like this, right? Ooh, hold on. I'm gonna have to remember these before I slide those in there. Alright, now, at this point, what we do is get color changed up in this bitch. Yep, right there. And once it does that, canvas height visible. Do that? Do we just do... Wait, no, because... Yeesh. isn't gonna work, dude. What the fuck? That's not how this works. Pop-up panel, pop-up, transfer controls, pop-up panel, connect pop-up signals. So allows you to handle events when the color picker is shown right here. This one, window visible property. The fuck? Nope. Get pop up. Hold on. Get pop up. Dot window. Just window, right? Pop-up window. I don't think that's it. What else we got here? Pop-up light? That's a signal though. Come on. Is that gonna work? It does not. Go back to looking for window. Then do we get window? And then do we dot visible? False. Is that gonna work? Oh, dude. Oh, wait. Wait. What the hell? Yeah, I can't even. Or can I close? Close? Oh wait, can I do close here? Because that would actually make like more sense. Does nothing. Does the debugger say? Nothing that's gonna help me. There's gotta be a way, right? Right? Like, alright, how to close color picker window when color is picked in GD script. Let's see here. Hold on. Okay, so I don't think it's this because the reason I don't think it's this is because this is the button, but because this is going to be the button itself, right? That's the button. So the button's gonna hide and then I can't click it anymore, right? Yeah, exactly. But what if I do pop up, hide? Is this gonna be? No, it's the same shit. Same shit. Yep. I'm gonna read this article right here. No. It's just giving me the same shit. It's telling me the same shit. That doesn't work. What is this in? Okay, that doesn't help either. Why does this shit work? The fuck? Yeah, just do that. Hold on, let's comment this out real quick and see what this alone does. Go back in. Dude, already this is so much better than League of Legends, dude. Already. We're already so far ahead of League of Legends right now, dude. Nvidia should be fucking sponsoring me, bro. I could use so many Nvidia chips right now, dude. No, this is driving me crazy, dude. I could have sworn there was a, there was just a little checkbox he had to do, and it would just close as soon as you pick something. Bro. Bro. Okay, so why does it automatically pick a color for the second time I open that? So like right here, it's fine, right? Oh, okay, wait. Oh, this one's really fucked up. Like that's fucking fucked up. Because that actually doesn't even change. But why? The second time I try to pick a color, it's like it's as if like I'm holding it down. I'm holding down the mouse button, and it's like automatically selecting one. What's going on? What's happening here, dude? Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, dude. We're also gonna have to do this. Why does it do that, dude? That's probably why. I think it worked. I didn't even try it yet, but I think it worked. Pick that. Nope. I lied. I'm so bad at this, dude. Well, let's look at, hold on, let's look into remote, right? Go all the way in here to color picker. Button press is unchecked, right? Button pressed over here is unchecked. I also have the fucking, fuck. Let's look at this in here. I should comment that out. Okay, let's try that again. Now I forgot. Whole fucking tree again, dude. No, I don't. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. You're actually pretty cool. Okay, so we're in the remote, right? Yep. Okay, so where is it? Where is it? Okay, button pressed is unchecked. Right. Press this. It is checked. Click a button. Or pick a color. It is now unchecked, so that's not the issue here. Does it keep doing the same thing? Yes, it does. Okay, then hold on a second. Let's comment this out. We'll just put pass in here for a second. So, okay, so this time, okay, this is what we got, right? This doesn't change when I put my mouse over it because I didn't even, I'm guessing this window, this is a separate window right here, and it's not selected. Now it's selected, right? So now, right? The fuck? No. Fucking A, dude. Alright. Do this. fuck do you mean disable 3D? What does that even mean? Am I ever gonna need that? Do we do close? Alright, let's go down all of these, right? Actually, hold on. Oh wait, the fuck? No, get pop-up. I want to look at get pop-up. Alright, search docs. Can we go pop up? Nope. What if we did color picker? We keep doing get pop-up. What do we get picker? Does this change the game? No. Now I just can't do it. Great. Yeah, definitely not it. So So I'm gonna keep pressed on. Yup. Oh. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Pressed. No. Just acts the same. All those settings in it just acts the same. Oh, what the fuck? Yeesh, dude. Yeesh. Oh my god. Fucking stuck on a color picker, dude. Alright. Mess with that later. For now, I need to get these things. I gotta get these things done. So we're gonna do one, two, three. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. Oh dude, that's not gonna work. Fucking hey, dude. Or wait, it does. Hold on. Huh. Okay, we're gonna try this too. We're gonna try this. We're gonna do like that. These need to change because they don't change on the inside. couple of these. Hold on a second. Let's do. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I don't know why they just call it UI. It's weird. BG, what is it? Self-modulate, and it's also capital. Pretty sure it's case sensitive. So, what the fuck? Hold on. It's not, for one thing. It's not case sensitive, apparently. Self-modulate, equals color, I believe. Hold on a second, we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So, now what we do is test to see if that even works. Am I right? I mean, it works. Problem is, I just have to keep closing that window. Oh well, should be fine. So with that being said, now what we need to do is, I need to do, let's see, hey, I guess I'll just, just label that as theme, I guess. We gotta do, how do I do this? On, ready, bar, wait, can I drag that shit in there? Hold on a second, I'm gonna test this out. Can I drag this shit in here? Constant default preload. That looks like it. Looks like it. Alright, yeah, let's try this, dude. So what we're gonna do, go down to Color Picker 2, right? Oh shit, dude. Wait. Fuck. Hold on. We gotta, all the same, dude. Disconnect. I gotta reconnect all these things, dude. Disconnect. Alright, so hopefully that's all I need to do. Hopefully that's enough to do what I need to do. Same with this one. Get this signal out here, connect that. Now the question is, how do I navigate this thing? let's close the docs real quick. Open up a new one. We're gonna go with theme. Let's see, get font. Probably not this. This is probably not the way to do it. Font type, font size, alright. Why isn't there font, like, color? Isn't that one of the things? Or is it just color? Hold on. Get color. Okay. Color. Get color. Hold on, let's go down here, see if we can. String name, font color, right? Font color. So I would do default get color string name font color. Is it underscore? Nope. The fuck, dude? Font outline, color. Is that gonna be anything? Nope. Then what the fuck, dude? Hold on a second. Oh wait, name. Okay, well, let's go in here. Color. Turns color property defined by name and theme type if it exists. Okay. Do I just put in, like, do I name it myself then? No, because it's gonna be like not declared in current scope. Identifier, font color, not declared in current scope. And I'm gonna be like, so? What does it mean by name? Why do I have to put that? Just freaking. Like, why isn't it just that easy? Why can't we just do this? Oh my god. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, I'm gonna freaking ask the internet again. Alright, how do I change theme parameters in GDScript? Change theme parameters in GDScript. You can use the add theme color override method to modify specific theme properties such as font colors for a control node. For example, to change the font color of a button when pressed, you can connect to the pressed signal and call add theme color override font color. However, it is important to note that button has multiple font related theme colors. Font color, font hover color, font focus color can be overridden independently. The visual change does not appear while hovering. It may be because the button is in a different state. You may need to override the appropriate state-specific colors, such as font color, font focus color. That's not what I need. However, then this next paragraph might be what I'm looking for. Alternatively, you can create a theme resource. That's what I've done. Programmatically and apply it to a node using the set theme method. This allows you to define and complete theme, including colors, constants, and style boxes, and apply it to a control node or the root node of your UI. For instance, you can create a theme, set properties like set color, and assign it to label or other control nodes. But I want to do that in GDScript, dude. And yes, I am still listening. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? Wait, what the fuck, bro? Oh. Never mind. Yeah. Anyways, for more advanced customization, you can also use add theme, style box override to modify style boxes such as change the background color of buttons. Okay, fuck off, dude. You're not even talking about that. I want to know how to do it in GDScript. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for either. Alright, I want to be able to change the background color of a style box flat if on a specific panel or any attempt to get the style box. No. Nope. That's not what I'm looking for. Bro. Oh, wait. What? Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh. Is it this? Damn it, dude. Is it this? No, this is not it. Bro. It's not either. Like, why is this so hard, dude? Just font color, dude. Just want to change the font color. Why don't you just, like, do what I want? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, dude, hold on. Wait, can we do this? It does not. Oh, it needs to be fucking. It needs to be in quotes, doesn't it? Because these fucking parameters are crazy and shit. And they don't trust each other, so they put quotes around everything. Alright, so let's see how this crashes my game. What the fuck, dude? Wait. Oh! Uh-huh. Wait. I did this wrong. Holy shit. Hold on. Oh, dude. Okay, wait. Fuck. Fuck, dude. Fuck, dude. Ah, shit. I organized this all wrong, dude. God damn it, dude. damn it, dude. Shit. So, okay, so it goes. So, okay, fuck. So, yeah, and all of these things, I'm gonna have to fuck off. Yeah, might as well just fuck off with all that shit. And then, so this should just be color VBox. Color H line 01. Color H line 02. Oops. 02. Color H line 03. And then we gotta put these in here. Can I just like go boom? Yeah. And then these can fuck off. And then gotta look at these. See how that looks. Okay, so are you gonna close or what, dude? So now, I do all this bullshit again. Connect all of these. This guy needs to go BG dot self modulate. Equals color, super easy. And then this one we do default TT dot set color. Alright, see if this works. So yeah, that still works. Nice. Oh yeah, dude. Okay, so just gotta copy, paste, what is it, outline color? Font outline color. Yep. So we just add outline underscore color. Dude, guys. This game, dude, is so much better than League of Legends already, dude. Look at that. Look at what we've created. This game is so good, dude. Look at us. Look at all this customization. All this customization. No one can handle such customization. I'm having an ethical breakdown right now. I'm not sure I should release this game. No one should have such power, such customization. Civilization cannot handle such customization just yet. There's no way I can release this game yet. I must keep this to myself. No one must know about this knowledge. Alright, cool, so I actually didn't even need all of that shit right here. That was unnecessary, but that's okay. Yeah. Dope, dude. Bro. So now all I need to do is go into project settings. Something that I always forget to do. I'm not gonna go too in depth. We're gonna just do put an escape. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Minus. Oh, we can't do equals, can we? No, but you know what we can do? We do plus. And then we go. Oh, shit. Should I put in tab? I think I should put in tab. Put tab in there. Then Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Left bracket, right bracket. We can't do backslash or forward slash. I don't know the difference. I can't tell the difference between backslash and forward slash. I'm such a failure in life. Fuck caps lock. We really need to get rid of caps lock, guys. Like, whoever in like whoever ever in history was, when they were shopping for a keyboard, they were like, yes, but does it have caps lock? No one. Nobody. We don't need it. Just get rid of it already. We don't need caps lock anymore. Did we ever need it? I don't know. Get rid of caps lock. God, fuck. And I think that's all we really need. I'm not going to put in the direction keys. I'm not going to even put in the function keys. Probably should put in function keys. I'll put in function keys later. Just get the basics out. Where are we at? A? Yeah, because we skipped caps lock. Who needs caps lock? Who needs caps lock? Just don't skip Pinky Day. Alright, okay. So, save everything. Save everything. I don't want to do that again. Even though I have to go back and put in like direction keys and function keys in there. And we'll do that later though. And by later, probably that means probably never. Very likely it means never. So with that said, we need to put in a script called global underscore KB. And then we need to go back into project settings, globals. We're going to throw in global underscore KBs. Node name global KB, I guess. Sure. That's what it's gonna be called. Dope. So now we go into global KB. And, let's see. We're gonna do. Call this one. Just gonna call it escape equals quote escape, right? Because that's what it's called in here, right? Put that all the way up here. Yes. And we'll just leave it at that for now. So, actually, wait. Hold on. Yeah, no, never mind. All good. Nothing. Let's just go do function. Oh my god, I was about to do step, dude. Holy fuck, dude. That's a throwback to fucking Game Maker. I was about to do step. Process. Fucking step, dude. Oh, Jesus, dude. I wonder if I remember how to code in Game Maker, dude. Let's see. Process, if input dot action is action pressed. I always forget that part. Oh, fucking A, dude. Hold on. Let me try that again. Is action pressed. The fuck, dude? This enter key is so tiny. It's a fucking small as a enter key. I do not like it. Global KB. Fuck. Global KB. KB. Dot state. And we'll just hide control for now. Hide that shit, and then we'll do. What we do need to. Right there. Wait, so how do I, oh shit, dude. I mean, I could just do this lazy ass shit right here. This is gonna be so lazy. Control dot visible equals not control dot visible. Now the problem with this is, I mean, it functions just fine right here, right? Oh, wait. What the fuck is action? Oh, action just pressed. Fuck, dude. Okay. So this functions, right? Now the problem with it though is if I have other things open and then no. Alright. But if there's like submenus and I'm like hiding and unhiding all the other control nodes right here, then if I just press escape with all those open and press escape again, it's gonna go back right to where I had all those other submenus open, which, I mean, there might be like 2 people in the world who would like that, but I'm not making this game for just 2 people. I'm making this game for me. So what we should do, right? Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, that should be easy. Yeah, that'll be easy. Hold on, I gotta go piss. Actually, I was thinking about it. I was thinking about doing an elif tree, but the problem with that would be is if I had like different kinds of windows open. Like, say for instance, I had the color window open, but then like some other menu open over here. How would I make an elif tree that would like? I'd have to prioritize it then. It would like be some of them would be on top of the priority tree then, right? And then go down in that order. That should work then. Never mind. Yeah. That'll work. Alright. Then in that case, let's see. In that case, think that's all. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now, as far as the menus go. So now what we need to do is make a player sprite. I think it's gonna be 16 by 16. I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with a 16 by 16. We're also gonna need this guy to have an alpha. Just gonna make a new layer. Background, I guess, and then we're just gonna delete that. Foreground, we will get this pixel pencil, and then go like this, right? Go like this, then we'll go like this, and then like, oops, not that. Go like that, nope. And then we'll go like this, and then we'll go like this, right? And then we'll do maybe this, and then we'll maybe do this, oops. And then we'll probably do this, and maybe this, and then maybe this, and this, maybe, I don't know. Should I? No, I shouldn't. What I should do unsatisfied. Unsatisfactory. Satisfactory. Yeah, I like this. I think this is what we're gonna go with. Should I double up on this? Should I make this outline 2 pixels thick? I don't know about that. You know what? Maybe. Shouldn't be too bad. I think that'll be fine. Yeah, let's go with that. That should be alright. Nothing wrong. Oh, dude. Oh. Bro. It's okay. We can still do this. We're gonna make a new layer, right? I'm gonna put this one down here, actually. We'll go like this, right? We're gonna select these two sides, these little blank sides right here. We're gonna hold Control I to invert that. So now we're selecting this thing. And then we're going to go up here to select, and we're going to shrink our selection by 1 pixel. Hey, that's not really what I want to do, but I'm going to go with it anyways. We're going to go over here, make sure we have selected the right layer. We're going to go with HTML notation FFFFFFFF. We're going to do a little paint bucket right there, right? We're gonna hide that real quick, select nothing, get our pixel pencil back, and put a little pixel layer all around this boy, this chunky boy. Alright, let's see, is that okay? could... You don't really need this one right here. This one could go away. Okay. I think that's fine. This is unnecessary right here, actually. That might be okay. This might be fine. Alright. So what we're gonna do here, I also need to change this to that, right? Okay, so now we export this into, we go over here, and then we make a new folder. We call this one sprites. This one could be called sprites. This one's fine. We call this sprites all day long. It'll be okay. We will call this dude, what do I call this? I'm just gonna call it piece, as in a chess piece, because it kind of looks like a pawn. Piece outline. I think that should be it. That should be good. Alright, did it export properly? Oh, look at this. Piece outline.png. Precisely what we need. Okay, so now we're going to go with this one. We're going to export as piece fill. Yeah, that's it. Export that. Export that. Make sure it imports properly. Oh, look at that. Imported phenomenally. That's perfect, dude. Alright. So now what we gotta do. Now what we gotta do is save all scenes, because there's a little asterisk up here that scared me. That scared the shit out of me. I was like, what the fuck? What's this asterisk doing here, dude? And now this one, we're going to do character body 2D. We're gonna make this, we're gonna do just player. We're just gonna do good old player. This is complaining that it doesn't have a hitbox, a collider, some might say, but most will say hitbox. You know. Anyways, we're gonna do that in a second though. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna give this guy some sprites. Do we still have this? Yeah, we still have these. So we're gonna just make 2 of those. Outline here. And fill here. So outline is this bad boy right here. Fill gets this one. Let's get this guy out here like 500 by 500 or some shit like that. Can I drag this? No, because I'm just gonna drag the sprite. It's so fucking weird, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. That's no good. That is no good at all. We're gonna have to change that real quick. Hold on a second. We gotta go to general. What is it? It's is it? It's not compression. It's rendering. Rendering. Textures. Nearest, right? Yeah. So much better. That's exactly what we need. Alright, now we're gonna go to visibility, self-modulate. Put that to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright, that looks good. And that's how we do. Oh, wait, no. Dude. Bro. You can't have that out because this is not the play screen, is it? Okay, so now we can slap in a collision here. We're going to do collision shape 2D, just a good old collision shape 2D. Good old... should we do circle? A square would be much better for performance. But circles are fun. Everyone likes playing with balls. There ain't a single person on this planet that doesn't like playing with balls. That's down to like 3, no, 5? Probably 6. I think that's about right. That should do the trick. Alright, yeah, leave that right there. Should be good. How big is this thing? Just make that like 3. Can we just make that 3? Is that okay? Is 3 fine? I think so. 3 should be fine, right? What if I want this to be 4 though? Okay. I think we're gonna go with that. I think that is the answer right here. See, all y'all out there searching for the answers, you're wasting your time. I've got the answers right here, dude. The answer is 4. And if I wanted to... Ooh, you know what? I should probably save this guy, right? I put so much work into this, dude. Okay, so we need to go up here. We need to make this thing. We're gonna call this one actors. Now we can save player.tscn in the actors folder. So, now that we've done that, we can attach a script here. Shit, we need to go into the globals_KB here. I hope these are not case sensitive. Holy shit, hold on a second. They're not. They can't be because this isn't case sensitive. I mean, this is lowercase, which means they're all lowercase, right? And if it is case sensitive, it doesn't matter because they're all in lowercase, right? Just go with it. Worry about it later. Worry about it when it blows up in your face. Just go now. Just build it now. Just build it now. Worry about it when it's a disaster. Only worry about it when it's an actual disaster. Do what the AI companies are doing. Just go for it. Build it. Build it now. Alright. So now we gotta go into player.gd and we gotta set some stuff. We're gonna go with Okay, so first we're just gonna do like player stats right now. And one of those player stats is going to be speed, of course, obviously. Or do I want to do this differently? I might want to do this differently. There might be a... Hold on. We'll just do this first. We'll go base speed. Alright. And for now we'll do 100. I think 100 might be fine. 100 might be too much, but 100 might be fine. I don't know. Just build it. Worry about the consequences later. Just build it now. So now what we do, we go function. This should probably be physics process. And then we do if input dot is action pressed, global KB, where are you? Where are you, global KB? What the fuck, dude? KB. Oh, dude, no, I'm an idiot. Hold on a second. Jesus, dude. That's not how you do this. That's dumb. That was dumb. I was about to do something stupid. Direction. Equals input dot get vector, right? I think. Yeah. So negative x, that would be a. So we need to do global KB dot left, and then this one's positive x, which means global KB dot right, negative y means global KB dot up, and then positive y is global KB down. Don't need anything else, right? Dead zone. I think we could just use that. We could just set that. So it'll be default. Don't enter it. It'll be default. Default is fine. So now. If direction velocity equals direction times base speed. Let's just see if this works for now, and then I'll do times delta later. Because times delta is gonna mess everything up. Oh shit, come on. Wait. Oh yeah. Huh. I forgot to put this guy in the game. Put this guy in the game. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Just not fucking forget move and slide, right? Like, the fuck? Woo! Oh yeah. Shit, dude. Fuck. Doesn't stop. Hold on. Then I guess we gotta do else. Else. Velocity. Oh, dude. No. 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 We gotta do. Hold on. Well. Yeah, dude. So. Bro. Velocity dot x equals lerp float, because anything else fucks shit up for some reason. What is this one? Lerp, fuck, this is the base, right? This is where it starts from. Velocity dot x to direction dot x at like 0.1 ish should be fine. Velocity dot y equals lerp float. Velocity dot y direction dot y 0.1, like a cowboy. Velocity dot x equals lerp float velocity dot x to direction dot x at 0.1, like a boss. Velocity y equals lerp f velocity dot y direction dot y 0.1. No, damn it, no. I'm an idiot. No, these are just 0. Just put these at 0. There we go. And what? It doesn't work. Oh yeah, because I forgot to do times base speed times base speed. Yeah. Dude, so smooth. So smooth. See how smooth that is? It's so smooth. Let's try putting delta in here. See what let's see how much I fuck this up. Am I supposed to put Should be fine, right? Yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We need to put like another 0 in here or something. Bro. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna make that 5,000. Oi! So much for Delta. What the fuck was that? That's so smooth. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Can you see it? Tiny little sprite right there on my map. Look at him. Look at him go, dude. It's so smooth, dude. Alright. I mean, hold on. I could make it easier. Make it easier to see. Hold on. What the fuck? Alright. Should be much easier to see, right? Look how smooth this guy is, dude. Bro. Riot Games. Riot. Look out. Look out, Riot. I'm coming. I'm coming for the player base. Alright. Let's see. And then later we're gonna have to put in other modifiers in here. We're gonna have like different stats and stuff. There's definitely other modifiers in here. That's gonna change your move speed and stuff like that. I'll figure that out later. Let's see. Ooh, wait. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna look so fucked up. It's gonna look so fucked up in game, dude. Watch what's gonna watch what it's gonna look like in game. Look at this. This sideways face right here. Let me see. That kind of sucks. That kind of sucks indeed, dude. Actually, it's not that bad. You know what we're gonna do? Yeah, this isn't bad at all. Hold on. So what we gotta do is, besides continue music, is so this is gonna be this is here, right? Then we need to do then we gotta go. Oh shit! Hold on. If we go, so if we do. Go like this. Okay. Like this. Color menu. Labels. And then we go no. You are color menu color menu HBox. The fuck? Color menu HBox. Okay. No, that looks right. Color menu HBox, right? It's right here. We get that. And then we need another one. We need another. Okay, in here we need this. So then this is gonna be line one. I guess we just. Oh wait, no. VBox. Color. Label. Box. Color. Picker. Box. And then I think we just throw these in here. If I'm not mistaken. We don't necessarily need these here anymore, I don't think. We can seriously just put these in here, right? And delete these. How's it look? I can't see shit. Okay, so what we got going on here is this shit is 23 pixels tall. So these things need to be 23 pixels tall. That shit is totally 16 by 16. Yeah, I'll just fuck it, just change these to 23, 23. And they're all connected and shit. Oh wait, no they're not. Just that one is. Wait, did I do minimum? That's custom. I'm supposed to do minimum, right? Oh yeah, that is custom. Duh. 23, 23. Cool. That looks a lot better. Let's see if it still works. Ooh. Look at that. Shit still works. Bro. Shit be working. Shit still be working, dude. Ain't nothing stopping me. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. Look at this. It's still hiding and stuff. There ain't no stopping me. So we're going to duplicate this a couple more times. And then duplicate this a couple more times, except these ones we need to disconnect this shit. Both of them. This we need to change to their color. And this one's going to be player outline. We gotta go back into the script, right? Now, we need to connect these again. Connect both of them. We're gonna be so good at this, dude. We're gonna be so good at this. And then we go wait. How am I going to call on player? I'm just gonna do root, I guess. Root stuff. Okay, so on ready, we're gonna make a var called player. Player is going to equal get tree. No. Tree? I don't think it's that, dude. God damn it. What? It's gotta be get tree, right? Get tree. Root, right? Root. Get node, I think, right? Get node player, I think. Alright, I gotta look in here. Hold on. Player fill. Player dot fill dot color. Self modulate. No. Yeah. Self modulate equals color, right? Let's see what kind of disasters I stirred up this time. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Game. Slash. Player. Okay. Dude, look at me. Look at me. Nothing can stop me, dude. Nothing can stop me. Dude, nothing can fucking stop me. I am quite unstoppable at this moment. I am quite unstoppable, dude. Look at me, dude. Look at me. Dude, the world's not ready for this. The world is not ready for any of this. Such customization. The world can't handle this, dude. I'm opening Pandora's box here, dude. There's no way that society is ready for such customization. Nothing can stop me. I gotta get my isometric tile set in here, dude. I have that isometric tile set from that other project I was working on. Hold on a second. I'll do that right now. I don't know how to, I just don't remember how to set up that isometric tile set. That was confusing as hell, dude. I might still not know how to configure that tile set. Hold on a second. Yeah, look at these, dude. Look at this tile set. Look how cool that looks. Bro. Let's see here. There's still room for modifications too. Alright, we're gonna copy this. Copy that. Come back here. Paste that in here. And now, what we got? Oh, dude, we got a tile set now. Look at this. Look at this cute little tile set right here, dude. Look at this cute little tile set. So, let's do... fuck, I forgot how this works, dude. So, tile map layer. Tile map layer. We're just gonna call this one tiles 01. We're also going to save it in worlds for some reason. Tiles 01, yes. Save it right there. So this guy right here, right? Boy, oh boy, am I gonna have a fucking field day with this shit, dude. Horizontal tile size 6. This needs to be 32, I think. If I remember correctly. Hold on. Let me. Ah, fuck it. I'll play with that later. Add an atlas. Yeah, sure. I doubt you know what you're doing, but sure. Oh, dude, I still need to edit this, dude. That's right, I fucked up on some of this stuff. So, this still needs editing and shit. But that's okay. We'll, Yep. But, that's still, nope. Yeah, I need to redo these. I actually need to redo these, dude. Fuck, but I don't want to redo them, dude. I really don't want to redo these tiles. Oh my god. What's up, Kira? How's it going, Kira? Sorry if I yelled. I am just not looking forward to redoing this tile map right here. Let's see. Because look at this. There was also one more setting that I need to do, and I can't even remember what it was. It's somewhere in here. It's not that one. Rendering, no. Population layers, no. Wait, what? No. It was rendering Y sort, and I think you just put 1 here, right? No, it's not. You like -1? Nope. Put like 1, or no, you just, no, oh, this, you do 1, yeah. Okay, so now, this looks okay. Right? We could just do this. Right? And then, so these are not going to be properly. I mean, I guess they work. I guess they're fine. They're okay. They're not that bad. They work, right? These work, don't they? And this, right? The problem is you can't do like more layers. I mean, I guess we technically could. It's called, these are called tile layers, right? I'm not really playing anything. I'm making a game. So check this out. Check it out. Look what I've done. Look at what I have made. I made this. Okay, so you could change the background. Change the background color. You could change the font color. So you could see the fonts right here. It might be really small on the stream. I don't know. Do font outline color. You could do the player color. See, this is the player right here. You can change player's fill color and outline color, and then you can run around. So this is what I've got so far, and then I'm just making the tile map right now. So we got this tile map. I'm gonna yeah, so we gotta erase all this stuff. Erase all of it. Then we save that scene. Then we could go into the game. And we're gonna plop in tiles right there, right? And it doesn't even matter where it's at right here, because then we just draw tiles wherever we want here, right? So let's say I wanted, why is this, there we go. Let's start with these green squares right here, alright? Oh, bollocks, we gotta do this. Okay, there we go, cool. Alright, we're gonna start with some green squares right there. Put a couple of these red ones right here. Green ones, oh, I need to put a physics layer on these, dude. I forgot to put physics layers on these. But yeah. Boom. Look at this. I'm gonna put some of the other ones on there too. I'm gonna put some of these things on here. So we're gonna put these right here. And I'm gonna put some of these right here. I gotta make some of these impassable and stuff like that. Because you could just like walk right over these. Another problem that we're gonna have is the layering thing here. So the players are just gonna, that's what I was stuck on the last time I was trying to work with these this tile set, is I was having trouble like trying to layer these. I try to get the player to go behind it when it's behind it, but then be in front of it when it's in front of it, you know? Don't know anything about that. I'll have to probably watch some tutorials or something. .rpg? Yeah, it's gonna be some kind of RPG. There's gonna be RPG elements in it. So let's see, let's put, wait, why am I not? Why am I not drawing? Oh, it's because, wait, yeah, that should be draw, right? Yeesh. I don't know what I'm doing now. How is it not working, dude? Disappointing, man. I wanna, oh, wait. Yeah, okay. There we go. Adobe crazy sometimes. Alright, so go into the tile set here and do where's the, oh no, dude, no, we gotta go here. Okay, so go here. We gotta use or add, we need to add a physics, no physics layer. I forgot how to add a physics layer. We gotta, okay, here we go. Dope, we got it. And I think we just leave it at that, right? Add property, physics layer, and then we'll just add them to all of these things. And what we should also do is make this happen. So see how there's like 2 sets, but they're identical? Well, one of them is going to be impassable. Can't walk on it. The other set will be passable. Alright. So we're gonna save all scenes here. We actually need to go into... Was it... Oh yeah, it was this one. Nope. No, it wasn't. Oh yeah, it was. Here we go. Collision. So... let's actually do this. Hold on. Alright. Enjoy your lunch. So let's see. This one's gonna be... I don't know what we're gonna call this. We're gonna call this... should we call it world? I don't know. World. This one's gonna be player. Gonna be NPC, I guess. We'll put like items here. Item, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So this one is going to be player layer. And it's going to interact with world. Not sure about NPC yet. Actually, it would have to, right? If we're going to, no, you don't have to. An item. Maybe not even item. It'll probably, I'll make it like those things interactable. Like you'd have to like, you have to be in a certain radius or whatever, and then do an action to interact with them and stuff. I think that's how they do that. Yeah, so now this should have collisions on them, right? Yep. There's collisions on these. I wonder if I used any of the wrong ones on those files. Nope. Should work just fine. Should I put a camera on this guy? Let's put a camera on this guy. That way. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Yeah, dude. And then, yo, you know what we're gonna do? Hell yeah, dude. This is gonna be so good. Let's see what it looks like first by default. By default, it looks like this. And now you can see the outside of the level. Wonderful. Let's make that default 5 by 5. Oh, 0, 5. Oh, wait. No. Do I do 2 then? Yeah, we do. 2 seems pretty good for a default. Alright. So, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do camera stuff here. Okay, so first things first, we'll put the camera in here. Then we're gonna set some variables. We're gonna do set zoom. We're gonna do set zoom. to be by default 2. And then I think that's it for now. Mess with more later, I think. If camera 2D dot zoom, I'm gonna have to do like zoom X and Y, I don't know. Zoom dot X, even though they seem linked. Not equal set zoom. Dot zoom dot X equals lerp F 2D dot zoom dot X to zoom at let's say 0.1. Oops, 0.1 for now. And then we're also gonna have to do that for the same for the Y. Oh, dude, I didn't put in, hold on. So 1, mouse 02, mouse 03, scroll up, scroll down. Should be good, right? I don't need any more than that, do we? Slap that into put this camera controls. Okay, that should be it. So I can go back in here. Wow, look at me. Look at me. So zoom in. You have to add. And then we're going to clamp it. Let's see. 1, 3. I think. And let's see. Let's just copy this. Zoom in, zoom out. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Does this work? No. No, it doesn't. Why? What? Okay, hold on. How about we just do this for now, just to see if this even works. Set some if statements up later. Okay. Yeah, that's not working. Hold on. It's not even. Okay, so. Scroll isn't even working. It's not even registering as scroll. Why? Really? Okay. It can't be pressed. It has to be just pressed. So now let's see. Point 1 might be a little bit too slow. Let's try point 2. Cool. We got zoom function and everything. Bro. On our way to the top. Dude, I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. We've got WASD. We've got scroll wheel to zoom, dude. And you got all this. Wait, hold on. Oh, this needs to be part of my camera. Oh, dude. All right. Oof. All right. Well, huh. You know what? Actually. Actually, wait. Huh. No. Let's try. If I put this in the player. Let me see this. No. Yeesh. No, that's not gonna work. Actually, it's gonna work. Yeah. This should work. It's gonna be risky. I'm gonna cut. Ooh. I just cut it. No, I pasted it. Now, let me do the same for this. Let's cut this. Paste that in here. Ooh, dude. Yeah, put that up there though. Okay, let's see if I broke anything. Kinda. It's kinda broken. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yep, got that stuff. So what we gotta do about that? What if, hold on. What if it works like this? Does it work like this? Wait. No, it doesn't work like this. Oh wait, I was looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, let's just mess everything up. It's fine. It's okay. Everything will be okay. Oh, hold on. Let's see if this thing even works still. Oh, well, yeah, okay. No, we can do this, right? No, we can't. I think all I need to do is just one more of those and it should be fine, right? Cool. Yeah. Alright. So now, what I need to do is figure out what's going on with this thing. Oh, you can do that. Sure the hell can. Okay, so how do I get this thing to resize with my camera? guess that's just another tutorial I'm gonna have to look up later. I want to find another tutorial that I need to look up, so I should probably end stream here. I'll do some research later. So yeah. So for now, I'm gonna leave it here. Maybe, hopefully, next time I'll do better. And you know, make a game that is better than League of Legends. We'll find out next time on